out Lightning McQueen! Wow, he looks so fast! I bet he can beat anyone!
He sure can!
Today, we're gonna play at the park! Come join us, friends! Let's eat as much ice cream as we can today! Look at my toy car!
This ice cream is amazing!
I got some on my nose. Let's go sit on the grass and eat our ice cream.
Come on, faster!
We're almost there. Wait for me. Yours is about to fall.
Oh dear, hang on tight. Oh no, where did Kitten Boy go? I'm lost. Where should I go to find Kitten Boy now?
I'll find you, Kitten Boy. I promise. Help! I can't stop! Where am I? Where am I?
You shouldn't go any further, little car. This forest is ruled by the giant snake.
Thank you, little crabs. I have to find my way home now.
A new path. Path. A new power.
Did any of you see where McQueen went? McQueen, where are you?
He was just here.
Keep looking.
Clear the area now. Move. Look out, it's coming down.
Oh no! Isn't that McQueen? Get out of the way, it's coming! Run! Save yourselves!
Hang on, McQueen! I'm coming! McQueen, is that really you?
Queen.
Please stop! Come home with me!
Now on, no more causing trouble, all right?
From now on, I'll always stay by your side.
Move it! Two criminals on the run!
This vehicle, known as Lightning McQueen, is a significant threat. We believe he is behind the recent energy spike.
McQueen will face punishment for what Crocodile McQueen has done. Officer, what are you gonna do to me?
inside. Repeat, suspect is still in...
Control, we're sweeping the produce aisle.
Nothing yet.
We have an escape. T-Rex McQueen is loose in the supermarket.
T-Rex McQueen has escaped. Pursue him now.
Don't mind me, just taking out the trash. It's actually kind of fun, ka-chow.
Everyone off the street! Oh God, that is disgusting!
All units, evacuate the civilians immediately! That thing is massive!
Oh God, run! It's destroying everything!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jay.
Make a wish, Jay!
I can't wait to eat the cake!
Hooray! You did it!
Happy birthday, Jay.
Yummy!
This is the best day ever!
Goodbye! Goodbye!
Good night, Jay. I'm tired too.
It's too close!
Keep running! Hurry, this way! We have to outrun it! It's right behind us! Go, go, move faster!
What is that?
It's coming right for us!
Oh dear.
Help! They've got us! Run, Rabbit, run away!
I'm coming back for you, Jay! Help us! The pig and bear were taken by a UFO!
Oh, man. Wait, what do you mean they found him? Somebody help us! Put us down! Robot McQueen has appeared! Robot McQueen will save us! You dare capture my friends? I'll teach you a lesson!
Robot McQueen now! He's coming!
Robot McQueen is #1!
Robot McQueen? How can such a powerful machine exist on Earth? Your invasion ends here. Ka-chow!
Robot McQueen, help us! We're stuck here!
Oh God! Please, no! Whew. Woohoo!
We did it! We finally beat those aliens! Yeah, we won! Oh, man!
I knew you'd come back for us! We were so scared!
It's finally over!
You saved us!
Oh, I knew you'd come back!
We did it, guys! We really did it!
He's back!
You did it, Lightning! We won! Yeah! We did it! Woohoo!
It's a brand new day!
Thank you, everyone!
Goodbye!
Look, Captain Cat, look! I think I see the giant robot!
Hang on tight, little kitty! We're going in!
Jump first, little kitty. Oh no! Not the parachute! We have a problem! Oh my God!
McQueen, don't move. Finally, my masterpiece is complete. Soon the world will tremble before Robot McQueen. Now let's see what makes you tick. Just a little more pressure, McQueen.
My carburetor!
Victory is mine.
Oh, stop! Get away from me!
Soon you will be my ultimate weapon.
What are you doing? Please, stop this!
Perfect. Look at that smug face. Robot McQueen, terminate this nuisance immediately. It's a monster! Run for your life! Oh, lasers!
Run! He's destroying everything!
Get to speed! Greetings, feline friend. Your city is about to have a very bad day, courtesy of my newest invention.
What have you done, you monster?
Oh, God. I can't defeat Robot McQueen! Ow, maybe that's too tight. I really hope Robot McQueen can handle things without me.
That mad scientist won't get away with this. Not while we're here to protect the city, B.
Get back here, Bumblebee! You're toast! Victory is ours! We saved the day!
Buddy, we'll have you fixed up and back on the track in no time.
You still got it.